What's up, Odooers? Jose Ignacio here. Today we are taking a look at how Odoo AI works in harmony with the Odoo accounting app, specifically how AI can help us manage outstanding balances and aging of payments. As an accounts payable specialist, I have a lot of responsibilities to juggle, from processing invoices to maintaining records, managing payments, and so much more. I'm often juggling multiple records, filtering data manually, and double checking numbers so that I can answer simple questions like what's due this month or which vendors do we owe the most money to. While Odoo has powerful reporting insights, retrieving specific data may involve navigating reports and applying filters, which can become time consuming. This is where Odoo AI comes in. With Odoo AI, you can actually simply ask a question in plain language. We can prompt the AI with the question and it will retrieve the exact information that you need. On average, AI cuts AP processing time by up to 80%, and real time AI insights can reduce decision making by 50%. Let's take a look at how it works, shall we? To begin, we're going to start off inside of the accounting application. Here you can find all of your journals, reports, customer invoices, vendor bills, and more. On top of that, Odoo AI is now a part of the experience, adding even more functionality to an already powerful tool. Previously, if you wanted to view all of your unpaid vendor bills due this month, you would click the vendor header up at the top and then select bills right there. While that method is still great, there's an even faster way to access all of that data. I'm going to click on the AI button up at the top to summon Odoo AI. Inside of the chat box over here, we're going to actually type in our prompt. Show me all unpaid vendor bills that are due this month. And then we hit enter. So once we do that, Odoo AI will then confirm that it is pulling up all of the vendor bills that are due this month and provide you with a list view of each vendor, bill date, and reference number as well. Now that we know exactly what we need to prioritize as far as vendor bills come, the team and I will make sure that these are taken care of ASAP. Now that we've seen Odoo AI quickly pull up bills on our behalf, it can also give us quick insights regarding aspects of our business. I know that I can reference my accounts payable to identify which vendors I owe the most money to, but what if Odoo AI just told me that information? Oh, wait, it can. Once again, we're going to click our AI button up at the top. Boom, we've summoned Odoo AI. And this time, I'm going to simply ask it a different question. I'm going to ask it instead to list the vendors that we owe the most money to. It's always good to know that type of information. And once again, we hit enter. And now the AI starts thinking. And just like that, Odoo AI quickly shows up which vendors we owe the most money to. We have the vendors that we owe the most money to on top over here. And this list shows us the vendors that we owe less as we go to the bottom. And that's a wrap. Accounting doesn't have to be time consuming or tedious anymore. With Odoo AI, you can boost your team's efficiency and get real time insights into your business in seconds. Stay tuned for more Odoo AI videos. I'm going to catch you on the flip side. Go grab a snack.